Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up OnlyFans auto renewal. So I logged into my account right over here. So how it's possible to auto renewal on OnlyFans page. So you may move in your profile icon which is right bottom, and here you will just add a card first of all, and buy the subscription. So you will have to subscribe this, and if you can easily turn off or on the auto renew switch located under the relevant creator user content profile. Also you can remove your credit card from your OnlyFans profile to stop OnlyFans from chasing and charging you subscription fees. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.